In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset iCloud Keychain. Whether you're facing syncing issues or need a fresh start, I've got you covered with everything you need to know. Let's dive in and tackle the first method, which is recommended if your iCloud Keychain isn't syncing properly. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where we'll begin the process of refreshing your iCloud Keychain. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and tap on your name at the top. This will take you to your Apple ID settings, where you'll find all the options related to your account. Next, tap on iCloud. This section is crucial because it holds all the services that sync across your Apple devices. Then, look for passwords. In some older iOS versions, it might be labeled as Passwords and Keychain. Tap on it to proceed. Now, you'll want to turn off the option that says Sync this iPhone. This step is important because it temporarily halts the syncing process, allowing us to refresh the connection. Once you've done this, it's time to restart your iPhone. A simple restart is often a powerful tool for resolving minor technical issues. After your iPhone has restarted, return to Settings, tap your name again, and go back to iCloud. Navigate to Passwords once more. At this point, turn Sync this iPhone back on. You might see prompts asking you to approve the device or enter your Apple account password. Follow these prompts carefully. This refreshes iCloud Keychain without deleting your saved passwords, ensuring that everything stays intact. Now let's explore the second method for those who want to completely start over. If you decide to turn off iCloud Keychain on all your Apple devices and remove the keychain data from each one, your iCloud Keychain will be removed from iCloud. This means you would need to turn it back on and save passwords again from scratch. Before proceeding with this method, it's crucial to be certain that you no longer need any of your saved passwords. Removing keychain data is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're sure this is what you want, you can go ahead and turn off iCloud Keychain on all devices. Once you've turned it off everywhere, remember to choose the option to remove the keychain data from each device. Only perform this step if you're absolutely certain. With the data removed, your iCloud Keychain will be cleared from iCloud. After completing these steps, you can turn iCloud Keychain back on. This will allow you to start fresh and save new passwords as needed. Remember, starting over is only recommended if you're sure you don't need any of your previous data. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to resetting iCloud Keychain, whether you're facing syncing issues or want to start anew. Following these steps ensures that your keychain is set up exactly how you need it. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more expert tips and guides.